Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by mixing a creamy base so the doodle dip holds texture. Use 1 cup yogurt or sour cream plus 1/2 cup mayo. Once measured, add 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon salt to brighten and stabilize the flavors. Stir in 2 minced garlic cloves and 1 tablespoon chopped fresh herbs. This builds the core aroma. Make sure to whisk until smooth, since even dispersion prevents pockets of salt or acid and gives a consistent base for the rest. Once the base is uniform, focus on texture and seasoning, whisk briskly for 30 to 60 seconds and check thickness. If it's too stiff, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or water to thin it to a scoopable consistency. Taste and, if needed, add half a teaspoon sugar or a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper to correct balance. Next, fold in your chosen add-ins, diced cucumber or roasted peppers, to introduce contrast and crunch. Folding preserves air and prevents a pasty outcome. You finish by covering the doodle dip and chilling it for 30 to 60 minutes. This resting time lets acid and fat marry, improving mouthfeel. Before serving, give it a final stir, then garnish with a drizzle of olive oil and extra chopped herbs for brightness. If the dip separates or looks oily, don't panic. Re-emulsify by adding 1 teaspoon of mustard or a splash of lemon juice and whisk vigorously. This rebinds fats and restores a smooth, cohesive texture for serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.